Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm back. Yeah, it's funny. I have my Apple Watch right here, 42 millimeter stainless steel, and but today I have another Apple Watch. This is a 38 millimeter stainless steel Apple Watch with a modern buckle. Now, they have three variations of the Apple Watch. They have the Sport Edition that starts off at $349 for the smaller 38 millimeter, all the way up to $399 for the 42 inch or for the 42 millimeter Sport Apple Watch. So then next is the Apple Watch. I know it sounds funny. They have the Apple Watch, which starts at $549 and goes all the way up to $1,100 depending on which one you buy. And those have a stainless steel case. The outside glass isn't glass, it's actually sapphire, and we all know that the sapphire is the second hardest transparent material known to man. The only thing higher than that is diamond. So a good thing they're saying is it won't easily scratch if it's made out of sapphire. And then they have the Edition, which starts at $10,000 and goes all the way up to $17,000, and that's because it's made out of gold. And any of that stuff you can see on their website, but depending on what band you buy for the Edition or for the stainless steel Apple Watch, that will dictate how much it is. So you can get a stainless steel with a sport band for $549 and a 38 millimeter. But once you go to change the band to this modern buckle, this black leather modern buckle, then now it's gonna change that price to $749. So this retails for $749. Now you're wondering why I have two. It's actually kind of funny. I mean, I bought one for myself, and then I also bought one for my fiance, soon-to-be wife. So this is actually a surprise, like, wedding gift for her. So she doesn't even know I bought it. So I think she'll really be surprised once I give it to her. And it's kind of funny because I'm gonna open up her gift just for you guys. Like, she's probably like, if she could see this now, she'd be like, why is he opening up my gift? But I mean, she won't mind. I'm not going to use it. So today, all I'm going to do is, because if you want to see it set up and what it looks like when it's on, look at my 42 millimeter stainless steel Apple Watch unboxing and setup. So today I'm just going to unbox it because the modern buckle is so rare that not a lot of people have it. I was one of the few that ordered and got a confirmation at 12:02 a.m. on April 10th, and I am pretty confident in saying I am one of the select few that actually have the modern buckle in hand. A friend of mine, he's ordering the stainless steel link band. I think his is space gray, and his was $1,100, and he doesn't even have his yet. There's a bunch of people that haven't even gotten there. So anyways, this is the 38 millimeter stainless steel Apple Watch. I'll also take this one out and compare it to mine on my arm so you can see the size difference between the 38 and the 42 millimeter. My wrist measures 177 meters, so if you want to see which size band you should get, because Apple will tell you on the website you should measure your wrist just to check. Anyways, this is the large modern buckle size. You can get small, medium, and large, and again, measure your wrist first. So this isn't necessarily the female model just because it's a smaller size. If you have a smaller wrist, which she does, then you might want a 38 millimeter watch. It may fit you better. A 42 millimeter might be too big. I caught my fiance one time putting on my watch just to check it out. She thought it was cool, but she felt the 42 was a little big for her. So today is just an unboxing. We're going to look at it, check out the modern buckle, and yeah, that's it. I just wanted you guys to see it. I'm not going to mess with it. If you guys want to, like I said, want to see what it looks like when it's on and stuff like that, look at my other Apple Watch video. But anyways, that's enough of me talking. I know I talk too much. Also, you guys, check back because I'm gonna start to do like a mailbag Monday where you guys just email me stuff and then I'll answer all your questions like every Monday, like just for fun. But if you want to talk to me now, hit me on Twitter at LocoBooth. That's LOCOBOO 2 Fs on Twitter, or send me a private message here on YouTube. All right, so I'm gonna turn this around and we'll get to looking at it, and we'll unbox it and check it out. Hey you guys, right. So I got it here and let's go ahead and open it up. Wow, this is cool. She's gonna love this. Alright. Look familiar? It's nice foam padding in there. Help keeps it secure. Now we'll go ahead and take this out. And you will see right here where it says Apple Watch 38mm 3/16 stainless steel, blah blah blah. You guys know this already. Modern buckle, large, black leather. Pretty darn cool. Now let's see if the box is any different as far as size from the 42mm. And no, they are identical. No difference. Even though the watch is smaller. Alright, I'll just sit that one there. Okay, you guys, I'm going to try to be delicate because this is hers. Because if I can, I'm going to wrap it all back. Okay? So, wish me luck. Okay, that doesn't sound right. Okay, I don't think there's any way around that. Yeah, it's perforated. Just kind of peels up. Okay, what I will do is leave the plastic just like that so I know how to sit it back in there. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and lift up here. Okay, now you guys remember in the inside is product information. Designed by Apple in California, that's what that says. Actually, I'll pull this out in case you guys haven't seen this. Apple Watch, and then I believe this is like a quick start, quick reference guide. No Apple stickers in here though. Usually they give it to you. So they show how to set it up and adjust the band. And how to charge it and stuff like that. Okay, put that back in here. Anyways, I'll do that later. And inside is the 5-watt plug and the magnetic charger. And you guys know the magnetic charger just snaps to the bottom of the Apple Watch. That's why it's called magnetic, because there's magnets in the ring around here, and it attaches to the Apple Watch, and that's how it charges. And as a matter of fact, I'll take my watch off and just show you really quick on how it attaches, in case you're curious. So I have it here, put it here, and then that's it. Ta-da! And that's how it charges. Pretty cool. And something kind of funny, you buy the stainless steel one, this charger here, like this is stainless steel as well around the rim. If you buy the Sport, it's just a white plastic. Kind of sucks, but... And they give you a really long 2mm cable. This is extremely, extremely long compared to what Apple usually gives, because we all know Apple is fairly stingy when it comes to cable length. But it's nice that they give you a long one here. I'll put that back in here so she won't know. Shh. And let's open it up. Dun, da, da, da. All right, now I wish there was some way I could take this off without damaging it. Let me just see if I could slide it at all. No, that is not possible. Okay, so I gotta peel it off. All right, open this up. Okay, and let's take a look. Alright, for those of you guys that didn't see my other video, this is like a felt in here, and right inside there says Apple Watch. Kind of cool. It's a nice soft off-white or a light gray felt inside. Now, this is the first time I've seen the modern buckle in person, and I've been to the store. And when I went to the store to try them on weeks back before it was released, they didn't even have the modern buckle in the store. Wow. So, let me pop this up. Take this. Now, this is a 38 millimeter stainless steel Apple Watch with a black modern buckle, and there's the buckle for all of you that have been wanting to see that. Okay, now I'll bring my watch and bring it side by side so you can see the difference. Let's try to get this to focus here. How about I sit them down, and then that way you guys can see. No, I'll hold it up. I'll hold it up. Not that bad. Okay, there we go. We got it to focus. You guys see a screen size difference? Now, what I'll do is I'll take hers, open it up, and lay them side by side. Maybe that'll help give a better comparison. Okay, so I'll slide this off of here. Okay. Take that down, have it here. Now I believe I'm gonna have to peel off the plastic to even be able to open up the buckle. Okay, now on this modern buckle here, see how sleek and modern and such a stylish design that is? I like how you don't see how it fastens. It's just fastened from the outside. Now there's two buttons, one on this side, one on this side, and you press them both and then the buckle will release. So let me go ahead and press that. Now let me get in there. Okay. I just felt it. And there we go. So let me lay this down so you can see the 38 right next to the 42. Okay, you guys, there you go. I've even zoomed in for you, and that is the size difference between the 38 millimeter, which is on the left, and my 42, which is on the right. I'll go ahead and we'll see Mickey dancing for you there. That's such a cool little thing that they did there. Nice to have Mickey dancing on your wrist. Let me get rid of that so you guys can see. It's funny. Anyways, she's gonna love that. So there it is. That's the unboxing. That's the modern buckle. That's it. Any questions or anything, you guys hit me on Twitter at LocoBoof, LOCOBOO, 2 F's on Twitter, or send me a message here on YouTube. And yeah, I'm gonna give you guys an email address and later on, and then that way you guys can go ahead and email me. That way I'll do Mailbag Mondays. How's that? And every Monday I'll hop on with a video and answer your questions. And I'm gonna start doing giveaways. That's right, guys. Coming up. So here it is. Black modern buckle. Oh, I left some of the plastic still on. That way I could wrap it back up. That way it'll still appear like I haven't opened it. We'll see. And then it just locks back in. Pretty simple. Alright, everybody. Take it easy.